Hello friends, welcome back after quite some time. I was separated from my bike for a couple of months. I had left my bike in Kolkata and I had to go back to Bangalore, but I'm back now. I wanted to actually make this a satisfying bike wash video, but this is turning into something else, as you will see. As you would have seen on my channel, I recently did a ride in Darjeeling and Sikkim. That ride was right after I got the bike serviced, maybe about 200 kilometers I had run after that. And it was done at a service camp organized by OSL BMW, the authorized BMW dealer in Kolkata. The camp was organized in Siliguri. There were other BMW bikes also from Sikkim and all who had come, and we got our bike serviced over there. After the service, including the trip and including the ride down to Kolkata, the bike has run less than 1500 kilometers. Now, if you see the videos of my ride, the bike was mostly on tarmac, just a little bit of normal Indian broken roads in between. There were no potholes, no off-roading, no jumps, no undue stress whatsoever. I want to now show you what I found on my bike when I took it for a wash. Onto the video now. So as you can see, it's very dirty. जब से आया उसके बाद मैंने वॉशिंग नहीं करा because I had to go out of Calcutta on some work. तो फिर मैंने उसको वॉश नहीं कराया. फिर पहले तो मेरे को जगह नहीं मिल रहे थे वॉशिंग का. अब मेरे को पता चला कहीं एक जगह है करके, तो जाके देखते हैं वहाँ पर क्या हाल है वॉशिंग का. तो ये जो है, ये हम निकल रहे हैं पाटुली एरिया से. सामने जो आप देखते हैं, दिस इज द ईस्टर्न बाईपास, मेट्रोपॉलिटन बाईपास, ऑल्सो नोन एज विश्व बांग्ला शोरूमी नाउडेज. आगे धोआ आवे ए साइड लगाओ. It's extremely surprising, but this is what I saw just now after the washing. Look at this. So this is not what BMW should be doing. See, this whole thing has come out. And if it was not for this, it would have come out completely, the triple clamp thing. I don't know how this is working still. So we are going to tighten it now. বেশি মানে ওটা যদি নামানো পুশ করবো না, হ্যাঁ কেটে গেলে কিন্তু তাটা বড় হয়
বেশি দরকার তাই দেয়নি। হ্যাঁ একবার তো সামনে চলে যাবে।
এবার দিকে হ্যান্ডেলটা খুলবে বরাবর টাইট করে